Welcome to AR Tech 7 at Tech YouTube channel. If you are facing any problem in installing Windows, for example, I'm facing a problem in installing Windows 7 in my computer, that I can easily install Windows 7 and disk partition C. You can see here partition C. Already Windows having a window, but it's giving the recommendation space and it can be installed here, but already have a window. I want to install my new window and new partition, for example disk D. Now you can see the error window cannot be installed on this disk, show here. Now you need to press shift F10. Now shift F10. After shift F10 you need to write disk part. See here disk part. Now the disk part is there and you can see disk part is coming. And now what you have to do, list disk, right? List disk, list disk. Now you can see your hard drive, complete hard drive as power, your hard drive, whatever your hard drive space. Now you need to clean your hard drive, right clean and clean it. Now I don't want to clean my hard drive. You need to clean your hard drive. After that you can easily install your window in your system. So you can easily install any window in your system. Due to this error you cannot stop installing your window. You must install, and this is the solution of this error, because it's giving that this partition is made by dynamic partition. You need to made it in a systematic system partition before installing any window. And thank you for watching. I hope this will help you, and please do subscribe this channel and click bell icon button to get latest update regarding any tech information.